What if I tell you that the next time you go out for a cup of coffee or go out to watch a movie and the money you spend on it, you could indirectly save and invest in a mutual fund? Sounds interesting, doesn't it? This method of investing is possible through micro investing. Micro investing is a method that lets you invest small chunks of money into a mutual fund of your choice over a long period of time, instead of you having to save a lump sum in it all at once. It's as good as putting loose change in a piggy bank, but here you are putting your money in a mutual fund. Now, the most common example of micro investing is roundup investing. Roundup investing will take your expense, round it off to the nearest tens or hundreds, and deposit the balance into the mutual fund of your choice. Let me give you an example of how roundup investing works. Let's say you've booked a cab from your place to your friend's house and the ride fare is 190 rupees. When you go to a roundup app, which there are many of on the Play Store, and when you swipe your card or pay digitally through the app, instead of 190 rupees, the app will deduct 200 rupees from your bank account. 190 rupees will go to the cab service, but the remaining 10 rupees will go into the mutual fund of your choice. Because of these apps, they give you a lot of choice and you could choose anything that suits your needs. Any mutual fund that invests into, let's say, large cap stocks or mid caps, small caps, flexi cap stocks, hybrid funds or anything that suits your needs. So let's talk about the advantages of micro investing. The biggest advantage of this form of investing is it has no minimum amount. You could invest something as small as 1 rupee to as high as you wish to go into the mutual fund of your choice. It also gives you diversity because it gives you options of mutual funds to choose from. But the biggest and the most important advantage of micro investing is automation. Because this happens automatically, you do not have to consciously remember to invest your money into the mutual fund. Thus, passive saving is taking care of itself while you don't have to put an active effort towards it. So, the next time you go out for coffee or a movie, remember you could be depositing a small amount and investing your money into a mutual fund of your choice.